Kemcho Gujarat. My name is Max and I'm from CLOOS India Private Limited. What we show here on the exhibition is our newly developed programming-free system. You have the benefit that you don't need to place the part in a fixture. You can place it freely and the camera will detect it and will generate a cloud model of it. And you can see after the scan that the system has generated that, will know where to weld and then automatically weld afterwards. The response we're getting on the exhibition here is that the product will help to manufacture also parts with the robot as a single piece. So the most benefit the customer will get out of it is that he's very flexible in his product and has to produce in batches, but he can produce in single part. And the feedback we also get from the manufacturer who is also here, that it will bring them to an easier way to produce this particular parts.